Check the first link in the info box down below. Get your very own Swamp Family pop socket today. They are available in the standard pop socket and a mirrored pop socket where you can have 1 and 2 times mirror magnification. Get yours today, limited time only. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we are going to be filming a video that I should have filmed in November of last year. Well, maybe actually December. I feel like this took a hot minute to get to me, and then by the time that it did arrive to me, I was busy doing other things, other videos. As silly as this sounds, you guys, today we are going to be unboxing a Black Friday box from Colourpop. And I'm gonna have to like dig through my emails to find out how much I paid for this. Colourpop, mystery solved. That's pretty cute. Can you guys read that? And also, you guys, I feel like this is gonna be scratching the itch that I am unfortunately not gonna be able to do this year, which is the freaking Beautylish Lucky Bag. You guys maybe know, usually every year I like to buy the Lucky Bag from Beautylish. It normally has amazing products inside of it, but I swear I did not get the email this year being like, hey, lucky bags are dropping. So normally we do a makeup mystery box this time of year. Oh my god, it looks like there's tons of stuff in here. Okay, so thanks for being fantastic. Thank you. Just freaking look at this. I feel like this is like chock full of stuff. Ah! I think that this is like the color that I buy all the time. We have a Colourpop BFF liquid liner. I just did a Colourpop haul like about a month or so ago where I was restocking some of my favorite items, and I buy the Colourpop liquid liners all the time, and I swear this is the red shade. Yeah, chili. Oh my gosh. So there's thing 1, chili liquid eyeliner. Up next is a product that I know that I loved this collection. This was actually something that I did get in PR. I don't remember what month this came out last year, but they had a Barbie Colourpop collab. So this is the Dream House Duo. Now there is a certain lip pencil that I use from the Barbie collection all the time, and there were 2 like lippy sets, and I don't remember like which is which. So Dream House Lippy Pencil. This kind of looks like a pinky kind of shade. And then we have this, which, oh my gosh, just look at how cute the tubes were. And this is the shade right here. And I think it's called Dream House as well. And hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see, it actually has the Barbie logo like imprinted on the lipstick. Up next, oh my gosh. So I actually did not get anything from this collection, so I'm really excited to see what this is gonna be. This is a metallic color stick from the Powerpuff Girls collection. So this is in Princess Morebucks. I have to be honest, I never really watched the Powerpuff Girls. I don't know why. I feel like I did not watch that much Cartoon Network growing up. I definitely was like really into Nickelodeon. So this is what this looks like. I'm trying to see like literally if this is like a lipstick or like an eye, kind of like a creamy eyeshadow. Packaging really cute. Let's pop it open. Oh yeah, this looks like a, like kind of an eyeliner shadow stick. I feel like I keep almost buying like a yellow one or a green one like this, but I just haven't yet. So this will maybe give me an opportunity to like try those products. This is called Just a Tint Lip Crayon. I don't remember what collection this was either. So I feel like this is something that I don't have any of. So this is in the shade Coral Kiss. Love the packaging. Very beautiful. Ooh, this is like summery. I feel like I'm definitely gonna give this to my mom. She loves all things that is like beach, summer, surfing, all of that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, that looks really, really pretty. This reminds me of like one of my holy grail Tarte products, which was the, oh my God, it was like kind of the first thing that I really got into from Tarte. It was called like the Chubby Lip Pencil or something. How can I forget these things? Up next is a cream gel liner, also a product I love. And this is in the shade Fluffy, and I'm pretty sure this is the purple color, unless I'm mistaken. So that is what that product looks like. Oh, it's kind of like a bubblegum pink shade. I almost called it hibiscus pink. How silly is that? Up next is a product that I definitely have had before. I loved this whole Hello Kitty collab that they did. So this is the Lippy Scrub in Pineapple Pop. So adorable. They smell so good. I forget what the other scent was, but they had like 2 lip scrubs. Up next is probably something that I, in all honesty, will not use just because glitter, like just free roaming glitter, is like something that I don't want like near my eyes or in my makeup products. So this is called the Glitterily Obsessed from the Lizzie McGuire collection. So I actually just bought, I don't remember, 1 or 2 pieces from this collection like a month or so ago. So this is like so cute. I feel like I'm just gonna like put this in my caboodle or something because it literally looks like so 90s. And you guys, I feel like this is the kind of stuff that I definitely used like as a junior high cheerleader. I feel like this kind of glitter paste stuff used to be so popular. And I mean, it is so pretty, but just glitter in my eyeballs. This I'm very excited about. I've never had this set before, but I have had a lot of the Colourpop false lashes and I love them. They're so cute, so easy to use. So this is the style Honey. It looks so like everyday light and fluffy and I love that. I feel like I either go with like really natural looking false lashes or like the longest false eyelashes in the world. Let's open this. This is a pressed powder. I literally feel like I almost just bought this. Yes, I literally almost just bought this. This is the Colourpop pressed powder palette in cream soda. So this is gonna be a quad. I guess pressed powder means you could use it for more than just eyeshadows. So look at that. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for days that I would just do a red lip, because I feel like I just said this recently in another makeup video. Like when I have like my bright red signature lip, I feel like I like to do just a totally neutral eyeshadow. And I feel like that will be wonderful for that. All right. Up next is another thing that I swear I almost just bought. I feel like they introduced these 5-pan palettes, I think in 2020 actually, and I loved them. I feel like I've had this one before. Yes, I've definitely had this one before. So this will be great to have this back in my collection. Once again, very beautiful neutral shadows, as well as like a couple of, you know, kind of red shadows that you guys know I love. Up next, oh my gosh, do we have 2 things? Ooh, we do. We have 2 items from the Hello Kitty collection. And once again, these are definitely items that I have had before, but I use them and I tend to not keep eyeshadows and stuff for very long, just because if you guys have been here, you know I have really, really sensitive eyes. So I tend to not use eye makeup for very long. Ooh, this is the yellow one. This is called Pineapple Cake. And look at how cute that is. I love to do yellow eyeshadow, like whenever I want to do like a cheese inspired look. I made a lot of cheese content last year on TikTok. And then we have Island Shine. And so this is a pressed powder blush. And I don't remember what shade Island Shine was. So let's get a refresher. Look at how cute that is. Hello Kitty and a cherry. And ooh, this is like a very beautiful rosy pink shade. Look at that. All right, we have 2 things all wrapped up like this. It looks like one is a Super Shock Shadow, and the other one is a Super Shock Cheek. These are something I feel like I want to try more. So this is in the shade Guilty Pleasure. I love the Super Shock Shadows. Guys, that's like a tongue twister. I love the Super Shock Shadows. But I feel like I have not used the Super Shock blushes, highlighters, and like they have a couple contour shades. And I feel like I have not used those as much as I probably should, because I feel like I would like them. So this almost looks like it has a marbled effect to it. And then this is a Super Shock Shadow in the shade Frou Frou. And it looks like it's kind of a blue, gray, green like color shift. You guys, that is so pretty. See, like, I don't know if y'all are gonna really be able to see all of the different like color shifts to it. I feel like mostly to you guys, it's kind of looking like a gray, but to me, IRL, it looks kind of like a blue-green color, maybe even a little bit of purple. You guys, if I stick around long enough, I'm gonna see every color of the rainbow in this thing. 2 items left. This I'm so excited about. I feel like this is something I literally just repurchased, but I love this palette. So I think that this is gonna be the 3rd time that I have this, and I'm very excited. So this is the Cherry Crush palette. So these are their monochromatic palettes, and this is the red one. But look at how pretty these are. So if you're somebody like me, you love red makeup, I feel like this palette would be perfect for you. They put these on sale quite frequently, and I swear they have like every like color imaginable: blue, orange, red, pink, purple, green. They have like a 9-pan palette to go with whatever your favorite color is, even like mint, teal, like kind of random colors. And then this is the last item in here, and it's one of the larger palettes. And this looks kind of familiar, but I can't 100% remember if I've had this one before or not. Very tropical, and it's called Lush Life. Ooh, green shades, as well as these yellow shades. So that was it, you guys. I feel like that is a ton of makeup, and like I said, I'm leaning towards, I paid like $50 for it, but this is far and away more than $50 worth of products. And I also feel like we got a lot of products that you could like very easily mix and match together. A couple of things in a blue family, lots of neutrals, some out of the box like reds, which I love. Other people might be disappointed with that. I feel like a lot of times people get disappointed with makeup mystery boxes because they feel like sometimes they put like the really out of the box, like, you know, reds, like red eyeshadow or something like we got today. But I feel like that's not too random or weird for Colourpop, because like I said, they have palettes of every color of the rainbow in these like monochromatic families. So I feel like that's just something that you could very easily like expect to get in a Colourpop mystery box. And for somebody like me, getting an all red eyeshadow palette is like, if I had to choose, I would choose an all red eyeshadow palette. But I do feel like we got more neutral things as well. A little bit of something for everybody. So let me know in the comments down below, have you seen other people open these Colourpop mystery boxes? Did I get some of the same stuff, different stuff? Did you watch a bunch of these videos? Did everybody get something different? I would love to know, as always, all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much. And I will be back again very, very soon